Welcome to stay in front of me, OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here we can see a ringtone button panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. Also you can do it by the second way, but first be sure that in volume button function we have selected ringtone volume, and now just by press down volume button you can also mute your device ringtone. And also we can do it by the third way, just by slide to the down with your finger. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.